It's now recording. You might fall off that chair.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I didn't want the headlight on, did I?
Oh, I don't
I
know.
don't think so. There, it's off. You could fall off that chair. I'm worried about you.
Okay.
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
see you in the mirror.
Can you see yourself?
No?
Okay.
Except for,
That's okay if you see yourself a little bit.
no, the right arm. It's
Oh, yeah, that's okay. That'll happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, step number one in my technique is to leave it as long as you can, but so that it doesn't go in your eyes. If your hair goes in your eyes, this is just my opinion, then that's not good. Especially if you're on your motorcycle, because it can whip in your eye at a high speed. Okay, there's a little bit hanging down there. Okay, see that? So, that's step number one. And also notice these scissors are really good. You can't use your Christmas wrapping scissors. Okay. So then you comb your hair, as usual. And it's okay if my arm's in the way from time to time. Just make sure you don't fall off that chair. That's my main thing I'm worried about. Then you go like that, down like that. See? Now, you can trim around your ears. I don't mind doing a straight line because, like that, sort of like that. Because a week or two later, it looks good. And we're just about to go boating. Oh, you got to make sure, by the way, don't cut your ear. Forgot to mention that. Okay?
Yep.
So now you look good from the front. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So if somebody comes along and they see you, they don't think you're one of those kind of guys that has like a bun or something like that. Because from the front you look okay, right away. And after all, first impressions, that's important, right?
Right.
Okay, so later on, when I'm ready, I'll shave this, and that's when I'll get my straight line there. Okay, so pretty happy with that, but I can see that it's really long back there. So what I'm going to do is put that up like that and just go ahead and cut some off. Now this is where you come in. Later on, you can fix it. If it doesn't look good, you can fix it. My job is to get it to the length I want it. Actually, I didn't actually mean that. I'm going to leave it much longer than I would like. See that? Can you see that sticking up?
I can. I don't know if it's showing up on the screen.
Yeah, if you can see it, it's probably showing up.
I mean, I can't see it on the screen, though.
Oh.
I can see it live in the mirror.
Yeah. Oh, well, the camera should see it.
Okay. All right.
I guess. Okay. Now I've done the main thing. And what we do now is I'll just do a final combing. And you can tell me if by any chance it, oh, see, I see that. That's not good. That'll come off right now. And I see all this straight stuff here, but I don't care because maybe when it's combed, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I can't see the back, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Does it look good?
No.
Okay, so can you fix it?
All right.
All right. So that is step number 2.
Okay.
You fixing it. Now keep the camera on.
I can't.
Okay, I have it. Now you go behind me.
Just a second.
I'll try to focus this so I see the back of my head. Oh,
Beg your pardon?
this isn't right. I can't see. Oh, here. I'm looking at the shower.
Yeah.
How do I turn it around?
I don't know. Should be a swivel button.
Yeah, but I won't be able to look in the viewfinder if I can't turn it around. See that camera thing there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it look out the other camera, and it won't. So how will I possibly know? Okay, well, I'll just do that and hope we're getting it. Okay, go ahead and try to fix up the back.
I can't. You're too tall. You need to sit down.
Well, here's the stool.
Oh, okay. All right. And first off, I'll just cut a line along here.
Okay. Don't tell me what you're doing because it makes me nervous. And don't try to make it a nice length. Leave it long.
Oops, I already did it.
No.
Come.
You said I already did it and then you did it. We can replay
Tilted
it.
your head.
We can replay that.
Stand up straight.
I'm standing straight.
Oh.
This is ignorant, the way the camera wouldn't use the other camera so I could watch what I'm filming. Okay, are you done?
No. Heck no.
Okay, wait.
It's a little long. We have to.
No, I do that part.
Oh. Okay, well, just a minute. You know what we're going to have to do is, I think you got a bit out here that you weren't expecting to.
Okay.
I need to be able to see this.
Okay. You see this? This stupid thing is just not... I have to turn it around like this for it to do it. And then I can't see what it's filming. Do I have to pay you $20?
No.
How much?
$5, $5.
I remember that. I wonder how many people remember that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go get the pinking shears and they'll feather this a bit.
Okay, yeah, and then maybe we'll just take a final photo.